Let's learn how to create this animation with After Effects 2021. First of all, we need to have a composition in 1080px length and height. So, now I am creating composition as 1080px x 1080px. Now we need to write a word here. The first thing I write is stories behind. Now duplicate this text layer. Ctrl+D is shortcut for duplicating layers. I am changing the duplicate text into behind the wheels. Change all the letters in white except the last dot. I select these two layers and align them right. Now it's the time to animate. Then, let's start. Now set time indicator in first second. And add keyframe for position. Set the time indicator to 0, and change the position of text to out of composition. Make it easy ease by selecting these two keyframes, and the shortcut to make it easy ease is F9. Now do the same into this text layer, but do it to opposite side. Now, the animation looks like this, but it's not enough for us. Now, select these two layers and duplicate it. Move the duplicate layer to the top of all layers. Change the color of all the letters to the color of the dot. Here, select New Shape Layer and create a circle that will mask all these texts. Align the circle into the center. We need to make it a little bigger. Now it's okay. Duplicate this layer and move it to bottom of the Wheel 2 layer. Sorry, not bottom but to top. If this isn't available in your After Effects app, the toggle switches, modes. Set the time indicator in third second. And add keyframe for scale. Now to set time indicator to second. Do the same things to this layer. Then watch. What happened now? No, it's not okay. We need change the direction of coming color. For that, select Pan Behind tool and change this point to closer to the dot. Like this. No, no, no. What happened? Sorry. I have mistake. I am going to delete this layer. There is no other way. Now, duplicate this layer and set it to the wheel text. Okay, I hope now it's ready. Yeah, now it's okay. I am saving my project for not to lost. Really, it's too late. Our work is not done yet. We have more to do. Copy these two keyframes and paste it in 4th second. And make the keyframe time reverse. Now, copy and paste these two keyframes to this layer. Now, we can see this animation is going back. We need to go back to these two sentences. For that, copy these two keyframes and paste it in the last second. And time reverse keyframes. Do the same for this layer. Okay, now it looks like this. Now, our animation designing is over here. Then, let's watch our animation video once more. Thanks for watching. Now, subscribe and wait for the next video. Goodbye.